Hello. When we do synthetic division, that's just a shortcut of long division as long as your form is x minus your root. In this case, your textbook calls it c. So you got to be in that form. Remember, what we do is we put c in our box. So remember, it's x minus c. So if you have a plus there, it'll be the opposite sign. And then we put our coefficients. And if you don't have a term, like let's say you don't have an x squared. Let's say my problem would be 6x cubed plus 18x plus 9. If I'm going to use synthetic division, I would write 6x cubed. I'd have 0x squared because I need a placeholder for x squared, and then 18x and then 9. So make sure you have that placeholder. Then what we do is we take our number and we just bring down our coefficient, and then we multiply. 6 times 3 is 18, and then 18 minus 25, or negative 25 plus 18 gives me negative 7. Then to get my next number, I multiply by 3 again. I get negative 21, and I keep on going. Now, when I'm done, that's going to be a depressed polynomial. What do I mean by that? That means that whatever your rule, whatever your exponent was, my answer is going to be 1 degree less. So I started with it. This one was 6x to the third. So my answer is going to be 6x squared minus 7x minus 3. We always do the depressed polynomial. Let's try one together. Let's take a look at example 4. Notice, first off, I'm dividing. It goes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't need a placeholder. I've got numbers for all of them. So I'm going to go 2x, negative 4, negative 3, negative 6, negative 5, and negative 8. In my box, I'm going to put my r or my c value, which is 3. I'm going to highlight that to show it to you. So I put a 3 right here. So then I draw my line. I bring down the 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Negative 4 plus 6 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6 again. So I get 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Negative 6 plus 9 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9 again. So I get 4. And then 4 times 3 is 12. So my remainder is 4. So when I write my answer, it's going to be 1 degree less than my problem. So my problem started with 2x to the 5th, so I'm going to go 2x to the 4th plus 2x to the 3rd plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 4 plus my remainder, which is 4 all over x minus 3. Now if I take a look at example 5, the problem is this is not in the form of x minus c, is it? Because it's got the 4x plus 1. I can't have a coefficient of 4 when I use a coefficient of x when I use long division. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide by 4. But if I divide by 4, that means I have to divide the quotient by 4 also. So let's rewrite our problem. So 8 divided by 4, that's 2x to the 4th. And then 38 over 4, well, 4 doesn't go into 38, but I can reduce that to 19 over 2. And that'll x cubed. Plus 5 over 4 x squared. Plus 3 over 4x. Plus 3 over 4. That's divided by, and I'm going to go x plus 1/4. Now when I write my quotient, when I go to long division, let's make sure I got all my terms. I got 4, 3, 2, 1. So every place value is filled in. So I'm going to put my c in my box. Remember, it's x plus 1/4. So c is negative 1/4. So then I go 2, 19 halves, 5 over 4, 3 over 4, and 3 over 4. So I'm going to bring down the 2. 2 times negative 1/4 is negative 2/4, or negative 1/2. So if I go 19 minus 1/2, that's 9 halves, or 18 halves, I'm sorry, that's 18 halves, which is 9. You take 9 times 1/4, I get negative 9 over 4. Negative 9 over 4 plus 5 over 4 is negative 4 over 4, or negative 1. So a negative times a negative is a positive, so I get positive 1/4, so I get 1 again. And then 1 times negative 1/4 is negative 1/4. 3/4 minus 1/4 is 1/2. It's 2/4, which is 1/2. That's my remainder. So now I'm going to write my function, my quotient function, and that's going to be a depressed polynomial. This started as 2x to the 4th, so I'm going to say 2x to the 3rd plus 9x squared minus x plus 1 plus 1/2 all over x plus 1/4. Now I don't like this complex fraction for my answer. So I'm going to multiply my numerator and my denominator by my common denominator, which is 4. So my remainder is actually 2 over 4x plus 1. So that's what I'll write. In fact, I think I'll rewrite that problem just to make sure. So it's 2x to the 3rd plus 9x squared minus x plus 1 plus 2 over 4x plus 1. And there's your answer.